Look at this view. You see nothing. I'm pretty much in the middle of the cloud. I don't know where the sun is. I haven't seen the sun yet today. And over there it's just like white. If I were to go to the edge of this cliff, then I would hardly see it's not any more ground there. No. This is a cool thing. See, they have an elevator for the food. Do you see things? Do you see things? This is where it docks. And this is where it goes all the way down. You see nothing. Yeah. That's how it is. Maybe on the other side, we shall be so lucky. Go around this house. Don't enter. No, I won't. I won't. Oh. And I see, I don't know if you see, but there's the same rope disappearing into the fog. And down there is the forest.